Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 26th of January 2025 and I'm going to be going over my weekly prediction for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So, monthly charts, we can see that the S&P 500 has been on a bull run for the best part of 2 years. Mainly this last year has been extremely bullish for the S&P 500. We can see, however, the volume is consistently declining. And the RSI is upwards as well, confirming this price action. So is the MACD. So of course we do have confirmation, and we would need some huge news to shake the market enough to start a downtrend, which definitely is not the case yet. But this is something to be wary of. The weekly charts show a similar pattern in the sense that we have this long-standing uptrend. We did have a crossover of the MACD a while ago, and I commented on this a while back. If you were watching the videos, we can see that this crossover now has commenced. We see that there was definitely a short correction, and we had these two extremely bullish candles. We can see that this is a bearish engulfing pattern, and although it's still in an uptrend, we can see that it's near the trend line, and then this bullish confirmation indicates that we do have another bullish candle here, and this is at an all-time high as well. So to take the position, we would need a confirmation, the breakout of the high, plus we would need a breakout on good volume to ensure that there is a consistent or a good chance of success, because as we can see, the RSI has been diverging for price from around mid last year, from July 2024. So yeah, for the past 6 months. So I am wary of this uptrend. However, I have jumped on it. But yes, this is kind of the harbinger of doom to watch out for. So yeah, we would need a confirmation with good breakout volume to ensure that this is a safe signal. Now the MACD on the daily charts, however, have crossed over and become bearish. That's very good. We can see that there's been a huge upwards bull run. We can see what is concerning, however, we see that the market hit this high, and the next day there was a bearish candle kind of reversing the gains. So we do need to be a little careful. The RSI is definitely bullish here. It is definitely confirming the price action that we're seeing, which is, although slightly bearish here, largely neutral, where the MACD is confirming here. However, we see that volume has been declining. Definitely in the more recent action, it has definitely been declining. So again, we would need a breakout on good volume, or at least increasing volume, to have a strong confirmation. Now, there was no trade last week. This week we'll buy when it crosses 610.78 and sell when it falls, but SPY falls below 604.17 with a target of 1% and a trailing stop loss of 0.5%. If neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend is up and the monthly trend is also up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the